trascinare.
What's going on, world, fellow BMW E30 owners, and maybe an E34 owner? You know, you gotta have the 30 and the 34. It just makes it all official. But back at it again today. Got the daily with me today. It looks a little rough, but for $1,000 in 3 years, I ain't mad at it. But today, yesterday, I pulled the cylinder head off of here. So now we got a little bit more daylight. I want you guys to see this. It's not as bad as that 2.7 I got, but ooh, M60 love. But this thing is filthy. So I got a wire wheel, mineral spirit, Marvel mystery oil, and I am gonna go to town on this thing today because I need to try to get as much as this done as I can before April 2nd. Ooh, she a little ugly, but she solid. So like yesterday, don't have time lapse, so it's gonna be scenes. I'm gonna get this cleaned up as much as I can, get my other cylinder head put on, other intake, all that good stuff. But when we get there, we gonna get there. Scene. And here's the after. Little Marvel mystery oil, a brash wire wheel brush. Now I know if you guys can see that the cylinder walls can look better, but I don't want to pull them out. I'm just gonna take it on up through there. But it came pretty clean. I got most of the stuff off. That's just imperfections in the block, but oh well. It's a big difference. A little bit of elbow grease, some water, lacquer thinner. But I haven't got to the side of the block yet, which I'm about to do now. So, just wanted to see, let's see a little update. Let the wind blow on by. Gotta love the way the M20 looks. Gotta love the M20. It's not perfect, but here's the end result. I painted the block. I didn't clean it too good, just the block. You know what I mean? Nobody's really gonna see it. And it's just something I want to do. I still got to get all the front pulled apart, really cleaned up. Yeah. So, I don't know. Got all my ARP studs, hardware, ready to go. Drop the cylinder head on. Yeah. So, I got everything that I wanted to get accomplished today. So, can't be mad at that. It's in there. Okay, this is the end of the day for me. I gotta go home. I'm running late. Gotta go pick up my daughter. But there it is. There it is. Step one. Out the way. Many more videos to come. And like I always say, the project keeps getting better. Don't quit on your project. Project got signing out. I'll let y'all boys.